I would say businesses needed to stay relevant. Going forward, innovation is going to be the key to businesses thriving, or I would even dare to say to even stay in business. There's only so much innovation you could do on your own. Azure opens, what Peter said, a big array of tools that do innovation for you. If you're running an Azure SQL instance, well, guess what? It's really easy to put analytics, like he said, and predictive on it because all that tools is already in the infrastructure. Whereas if it was in-house, well, good luck licensing that and putting that and keeping it up to date and adding the latest model to it and having it as smart as the latest version.